What if I told you that the secret of turning back the biological clock isn't some expensive surgery or miracle pill, but a molecule that's already inside your body right now? A molecule so powerful that a Harvard scientist call it a fountain of youth at the cellular level. I'm talking about NAD+. And by end of this video, you'll understand why billionaires are spending thousands of dollars monthly on this therapy. And more importantly, how it could transform your energy, weight, and literally add years to your life. And here's the kicker. Your body is producing 50% less of this miracle molecule than it did when you were 20. And that's why you are feeling tired, gaining weight, and aging faster than you should. Stay with me because I'm about to show you exactly how to fix this. So let me paint you a picture. Remember when you were in your 20s, you could pull all-nighters, eat pizza at 2 a.m. and still wake up looking fresh? What changed? It wasn't just getting older. It was your cellular powerhouse, your mitochondria literally running out of fuel. So NAD+, that's nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is like a premium gasoline for your cellular engines. Every single cell in your body needs it to produce energy, repair DNA, and fight aging. But here is the cruel joke of biology. Starting at age 30, your NAD+ level drops by 10% every decade. By age 50, you are running on half empty. By 60, you are practically running on fumes. This isn't just about feeling tired. This is about your cell literally forgetting how to function optimally. Now let me ask you something. Do any of this sounds familiar? You wake up and immediately reach for coffee, not because you enjoy it, but because you literally cannot function without it. By 3 p.m., you are crashing harder than a Windows 95 computer. You look in the mirror and think, when did I start looking so tired? Or maybe it's the weight that just won't budge. You are eating the same food you ate 5 years ago, but somehow you are 20 pounds heavier. Your metabolism feels like it's moving in a slow motion. And don't even get me started on brain fog. You walk into the room and forget why you were there. You struggle to find words that used to come naturally. Your focus is scattered. I used to think this was just normal aging. But what if I told you that every single one of these symptoms can be traced back to declining NAD+ levels? What if aging isn't actually inevitable? Here is where it gets fascinating. NAD+ doesn't just give you energy. It's literally the conductor of your cellular orchestra. Let me break down the three main mechanisms the way NAD works. Number 1, cellular energy production. NAD+ is essential for electron transport chain. Think of it as your cellular power grid. Without adequate NAD+, your mitochondria can't produce ATP efficiently. It's like trying to run a Ferrari on a regular gas instead of premium. Mechanism number 2, DNA repair. Every day, your DNA gets damaged thousands of times from UV rays, stress, toxin, even normal cellular processes. NAD+ activates enzymes that repairs this damage. Low NAD+ means your cell can't fix themselves properly. Mechanism 3, sirtuins activation. This is the anti-aging jackpot. NAD+ activates sirtuin. It's a protein that Harvard researchers call longevity gene. This protein regulates metabolism, reduces inflammation, and literally slows down the aging process. One of the studies published in 2018 found that boosting NAD+ level in aged mice reversed muscle atrophy and improved their exercise capacity by 80%. Another study showed improved insulin sensitivity within just 2 weeks of NAD+ supplementation. Now let's talk about something everyone wants to know: weight loss. NAD+ is like having a personal trainer for your metabolism. When your NAD+ levels are optimal, your body becomes a fat burning machine. Here's why. NAD+ directly influences your metabolic rate by optimizing mitochondrial function. More efficient mitochondria means more calorie burn even at rest. Here's the real game changer. NAD+ therapy improves insulin sensitivity. Think of insulin as your body's storage hormone. When you are insulin resistant, your body stores everything as fat. When you are insulin sensitive, your body burns fat for fuel. I have seen patients lose 15 to 20 pounds in first few months of NAD+ therapy. Not through starvation or extreme exercise, but because their metabolism finally started working like it did in their 20s. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: aging. NAD+ therapy isn't just about feeling better, it's about biological age reversal. When you optimize NAD+ level, you are essentially giving your cell a software update. Your skin becomes more elastic, your hair gets thicker, your energy level skyrockets, but it goes deeper than cosmetic changes. Your cardiovascular system improves, your immune system strengthens, your cognitive function sharpens. You are not just looking younger, you are literally becoming biologically younger. Now, here are some performance benefits of NAD+. It enhances athletic performance and recovery, improved mental clarity and focus, better sleep quality for better recovery, increased libido and sexual function, reduced inflammation and pain. Now let's get practical. How do you actually get NAD plus into your system? So there are multiple ways to do this. Number one is IV therapy. This is the gold standard for NAD plus. The most effective method is IV infusion. You are getting NAD plus directly into your bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system. Typical protocol is 500 to 1000 milligram per session 1 to 3 times per week initially, depending on how patient tolerates this. Second one is sub-Q injection. More convenient option, 50 to 100 milligram daily or every other day. Takes less than a minute to administer a shot. And the other one is oral supplements. NAD plus precursors like NMN or NR, 500 to 1000 milligram daily. Less bioavailable, may not see real boost, but may be the most convenient option. The key is consistency. NAD plus therapy isn't a one and done treatment. It's about maintaining optimal levels over time. Now let's address the safety concern because I know you are thinking about them. NAD plus is naturally produced by your body, so side effects are generally mild. Some people experience mild nausea or flushing during IV therapy, but this typically resolves quickly. However, this isn't something you should do DIY. Work with a qualified healthcare provider who understands NAD plus therapy protocol. So contraindication, pregnancy and breastfeeding, certain medications, active cancer. Here's the bottom line. Aging isn't inevitable. The fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, and declining performance you're experiencing aren't just getting older, they are symptoms of cellular energy deficiency. NAD plus therapy isn't just another wellness trend, it's a scientifically backed intervention that can literally turn back your biological clock. If you are ready to experience what it feels like to have the energy and vitality of your younger self, the first step is to discuss with the qualified provider if you are the right candidate for NAD therapy, and then get started. And if this video opened your eyes to the power of cellular optimization, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-backed longevity content. Your future self will thank you.